Being quiet, ha?
Hi there.
Hello again.
Hello.
Welcome everyone.
Yes, yes. Welcome everyone, and we want to thank you for your warm reception last week when we did our launch. Yeah, I had a couple of people reaching out to me directly, and in fact, I
Good.
had a couple of consultation calls with some beautiful souls, and truly, I feel so grateful about that. Yeah. How was your week, Dea?
Yeah. Like a roller coaster.
Okay.
But it's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is well and keeping our hopes high and just keep grinding every day and it's been a busy week for and lots of trainings and lots of things that has happened and but all is good.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
That's
How
that's
about you?
amazing. Yeah, I had a lot of consultation calls after we launched the our collaborations. I'm truly grateful about that. And yeah, so it's been like I've been like pretty much occupied. And I there's this feeling of kind of excitement, and at the same time I can't help but feel kind of touched and sad as well. But I would like to think that we planted a seed, and that more and more people will be able to reach out to us and have more awareness
Yeah.
about the importance of taking care of all our different bodies. So we are not just the physical body, we are the souls. And we have our subtle energetic bodies as well, which we tend to ignore or taken for granted. Yeah, because we grew up in an environment where the focus was just mainly on the physical body. So there's not
Yeah.
talk about the emotional health, right? I mean, if you think about it, but there's a lot of growing studies where they say that a lot of findings that are saying that 99% of physical diseases, ailments are because of emotional root. It's because of emotionally diseases or
Correct.
discomfort.
Correct.
uh,
Correct.
And these
Yeah.
come about from chronic stress. I mean, we have stress every day in different things. Okay, I wouldn't normalize that it's usual to go through
Yeah.
stressful situations. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
it's about how to be able to manage those stressful situations. So a lot of people don't know how to manage it. So it's just important for us to give more awareness so that this stress will not become chronic stress.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Based on I've been hearing a lot of things regarding to with regards to spirituality that that hear that word. It's like you're just busy, you're just occupied, but you have never heard of that word stress, no? It's just maybe it's the it's the what's this internet era maybe that
Yeah.
that has been that has been I mean it could be good and a lot of it some most of the time is because of that because I think like triggers you so you get stressed and you get stressed from what's this from your work because of the pressures ayun pala that was the word before pressure lang
Pressure.
pressure.
Yeah. Yeah. But what is this pressure all about, right? See, the thing,
Yeah.
I've read a lot of books, yeah, and they say that parang stress is like a bucket, like we put, so because one can be in a stressful situation. And so what is the effect of these stressful situations? So one of them is like feeling pressured. Yeah. I mean, like Filipinos, we say, yeah, na pressure lang, we feel pressured about certain things. As if there's like an external force. Yeah. Like stressing us
Yeah.
out.
Yes.
or
Yes.
or
Yes.
pushing our boundaries of what else, I mean, it's quite amazing when we think about it. We're not very much aware about our emotional health. We even lack the words for emotions, right? So I have
Yeah.
clients who says, whenever I ask them, so how are you? How are you feeling? Sad, okay, frustrated, and angry. Most often than not, it's just sad and angry, and like happy also. But probably there's like less than 10 types of emotions that I know, but there's like an emotion wheel.
Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe we can talk about that one of these days. What are the different kinds of
Yes.
emotions, and
Yes.
the relevance of finding out and knowing, because we would like to be able to give awareness to people that they can express their emotions. And when you express them, you can also name them, in order for us
Mm-mm.
to
Mm-mm.
communicate what are our needs. It's important to know how are we feeling, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
if you
Yes.
don't know what you feel, how can you communicate yourself to the other person? All you can say is like, yeah, I feel sad, or I feel angry, I feel happy. I wish it can be like
So
that much simpler world, right?
yeah, but in my mind now, it's like I wanted to ask if so is this stress really um or is it really us creating that stress? Parang yun yung bigla akong
Can you,
naisip.
yeah,
Parang
can you say it again, Dea? Because nag-fluctuate yung connection.
yeah, it's like so can is it safe to say or is it okay to say na itong stress, itong pressure from the outside is our ourselves or we can handle it or we can have a different approach once we know clear about situations and things.
Okay, I didn't get you well. I didn't hear you well. Dea, I'm so sorry. So what you're saying is that, so are you asking about the approach to take when somebody is in a stressful situation and how to look at it? Yeah, is that what your concern is?
Like putting it out on ourselves or talagang it's inevitable parang kasi like there is one saying or quote that says uh parang uh pain is pain is inevitable but suffering
Suffering is
is
optional.
optional, yeah, something like that, not exact words but something like that. So you can have pain how to not how not to suffer.
Yeah, so actually they're the same. It's just the difference is the length of time that you actually go through that pain. Yeah. So I feel that, it's just about it's just looking at it in a way like it's just different perspective. Okay, so how do I look at pain? So pain is good in a way. I'm not advocating that, that people hurt us, but
Yes, yes.
pain for me is more like an alarm. Yeah, that
Mm,
there's something that we need to look at. Yeah. So I'll because I'm a person who likes to I follow this principle that, when we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change.
mm,
Yeah.
mm,
So when you say pain is inevitable, yes, because we go through life, there are growing up pains, from the time we were born, there's pain. It was painful to come out from our mother's womb. uh, I mean, like physically and emotionally, right? Being squeezed out into this world, and then suddenly it's like, wow, huge world. And then you start to,
correct.
but,
Pain for both. Pain for Them as well.
Yeah, for the mothers as well. Yes, and then there are emotions involved as well, right? Okay, so pain for me is an alarm. It's a messenger that there's something that we need to look at. Yeah. So when something happens to us, so let's give an example. So what would be an example? Uh, so I felt misunderstood. Yeah. Okay. Yesterday I was reaching out to one of a friend. She's not really a client, but more like a dear friend. Yeah, who I know can really use therapy and who has not reached out for any therapy because of whatever reason. She doesn't feel that she can afford it, and then she doesn't want to receive help from others. Okay. So there's
Yeah.
more like she doesn't feel that she feels like she's going to be a burden if she takes money from a loved one in order to pay the therapist. So it's okay. So I was checking up on her, and then she said that she's going through difficult time. And somehow, in the manner of me asking her, you know what? Yeah, please decide to be well. And in all like good intentions of love and compassion towards this girl, I was really really concerned about her. But she took it negatively. Yeah. So she felt that she was being judged. And perhaps I did judge her. I don't know. But my intention was not to judge her at all. The thing is, we are constantly judging, right? Whether we accept it or not, because our brain is a judging, it's a perceiving brain. It automatically look at situation, and based on our own conditioning and belief system, we make judgment. So it's
Yeah.
usual to, I would say, I mean, okay, the connotation of judgment is quite negative, right? So
Yeah.
that's why we want us to say we just observe. So anyway, she felt judged that I did not understand what she was going through. So for me, in the beginning, I felt like hurt. Yeah. So that was pain. This is emotional pain. It's like, hey, I have been supporting you, and this is what you do to me.
Yeah.
But then I was like, it was just like a split of a second. Yeah.
Yes.
And I saw that she was hurting. So my approach was, I recognized what I was feeling. And just because I'm so in tune with my body, with my emotional body as well, with my physical body. So I immediately know that there was something that got triggered in me. Yeah. And then I stopped and I said, I'm not gonna process it now, but I will. So what happened then to my to how I perceive what she commented about what I said. And so I started looking at her as not the attacker. Because first, I'm not gonna play a victim. Yeah, I'm conscious about not being a victim.
Mm-mm.
So I look at her as, okay, where is she coming from? Right. And felt that as a therapist also, and with all the knowledge and expertise about trauma, I knew that she's in pain.
Mm-mm.
So people who are in pain, they tend to inflict pain also to other people. And this
Okay.
person has been judged heavily. So in this situation, I know the person so much. Yeah, I mean, I have a deeper understanding and knowledge about this person. So I was able to make an informed judgment. So what about if you meet someone, and that someone is like, I don't know, a stranger on the street and started shouting at you because for whatever reason, yeah. So how will you take that?
I think I as a mom who has a special needs child, I think on a daily basis we are really being judged. And at times, at times, um I have learned a lot, and I keep on learning on how to deal with these situations, because of course it's very painful not to be judged. And especially kasi when you have no talagang idea, especially same journey. And at times, they are in the same journey, but no two journeys are the same. Kasi dito sa spectrum, no? So, what I have understand like that. So it's easier for me. It's easier for me to go through that pain, thinking that this person who has judgment, or who has, who cannot understand, you have to understand that they don't understand because they are not on the journey. So yun lang, yun yung mas that thought alone is the one that carries me through, so that I won't be stuck in the pit, like pity myself because I am being judged, something like that.
Yeah, so
So
that requires a lot of consciousness, that requires a lot of when we talk about consciousness, knowing who are we really, right?
mm,
And that we are made in the image and likeness of God, and then other people are sometimes projecting, most of the time actually, that the reality is we project our pains towards other people. That's why
yeah.
we have to be careful about not taking those pains from others. Yeah, because you have enough of your own. So it's just like,
Correct.
like if you think about it, like, in the morning or during the day, somebody just starts I don't know, you probably feel like, you're being attacked for no reason. And then it's like, so I see it as like, like they have a garbage and they're like throwing their garbage on your front yard and on your backyard or on your belongings, right? And
Yeah.
so it's like, hey, can you just be more responsible? Yeah. Keep your things
Mm,
to yourself. And this is how,
yeah, yeah.
or it's the same
But
thing.
also,
Tell
but
me.
also I people, if they have pains or sufferings and they don't know, um they forget what who they really are. So what happens is, yun nga, parang 'di ba, you keep hearing this thing na hurt people,
Yeah.
like that. But it's like you are hurt. For me, in my take about that, is like you're hurt because I have a garbage and I will give it to you. So it's up to you if you will accept it or not. Something like that. So if you accept it, then you get hurt because I mean, you will smell and you will smell the garbage. You received it, you took it. So, but if you did not take it from that person, so kanino maiiwan yung garbage? Then doon sa person lang. It won't get anywhere but to her. And hopefully, one day she will realize that to stop giving garbage to other people.
So what I'm actually hearing is the way I look at it, it's like both parties need to be responsible, right? For their actions, for their thoughts, and be careful not to inflict other people. Be careful not to inflict the pain that you're going through or you experience
Yeah,
towards other
yeah,
people.
yes,
There's already enough pain in the world. So we
correct.
can be
Yeah.
responsible. And then the responsibility of the other person is to disassociate herself or himself and say that, that's not mine. That's why it's very important to find out,
Mm,
to know if you are in tune in your body, in tune to your emotions, your sensations in the body, and then your thoughts. You know what are yours. You know what is your energy there. Yeah.
mm,
But
Mm-mm.
if you're clueless, you go about your day and you don't know who you are, what you are, and what are your thoughts, I mean, that's kind of, you can
Yeah,
be responsible, right? And so
correct.
immediately you know when somebody is like acting out, or let's say somebody is triggered, right? You know that that's not yours. So you can put that filter, it's like you put
Yes,
a bubble of light and say,
yes,
okay, this is not mine. I send you love and compassion. Yeah. Of course,
yeah,
you don't say that to a person who's like breathing in pain or anger, because they will just get upset, right? But you can keep it inside your heart, and think of that person positively, and then sending you love and compassion and connect their hearts to God. They're saying
yes,
something, imagine that, they are directing all their pains to God.
yes,
And
yes,
lift.
yes. And also like like kasi we are so used to think, and uh we were parang programmed na when we want people to change. We don't realize maraming factors hindi lang isa. So one of the things that I've learned as well is that there are three things that you can say to a person. I understand you, and I wish you healing. Because when you say these words, when you say these three words, what happens is parang nami-mirror din sa'yo. So what happens is whatever you say to the other person or you wish them will bounce back to you as well. So if you need healing, if you still need healing, and if you're still healing, then you will be yung I accept, I understand, and I heal. I wish you healing. So when be you will be understood and you will be healed as well.
Wow. I love that, huh? We can make a poster about that day. Uh-huh. It's just for people to remember. So what did you say?
Yeah.
What can you say them again slowly? What are those four things? Are the four things, right?
Three things. I
Three.
accept,
Yeah.
I understand, and I heal.
And I hear. Okay.
So it goes two ways. Parang you say that wishing the other person, and you say that as a wish for yourself as well. So it's a parang double-sided when you say that. So kasi when they change, then thank you. But if they don't change and they are part of your family as well, accept and you just understand where they're coming from, because it's not just this lifetime that we lived. It's like a lot of it's very deep, pero and some people doesn't really think like that, but you just think, and when you wish that, then it bounces back to you as well, diba?
I like that. Yeah. There's another it's like a prayer, yeah. It's called
Mm-mm.
Ho'oponopono. Where
Mm-hmm.
you say actually, I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
There's actually a version of it where I think there's this lady, she's Argentinian, Mabel or Mabel.
Mm-hmm.
So for her, she just needed to say, not needed, but she gets to say thank you. Thank you says a lot already. Even when you're going through some painful situations in life, when you say thank you know that it's so uh it's so deep and profound. The meaning of saying thank you, actually, it's oh, what is thank you? You're grateful about something, right?
Yeah.
The way I look at it, it's like, okay, you know, this gift is packaged probably not in the way that you like it, but it's a gift. There is a gift there.
Yeah.
And then if you just accept it, I'm not saying accept garbage. No, it's just like whatever situation
Mm-mm.
that you're in, you know, with gladness, with gratitude,
Yeah.
trust and faith, and immediately thanking God, the creator, whatever you believe in. Yeah, this is a blessing. So I think that's what I wanted to say. That everything that is
Yeah.
happening to us, it's
Yes.
a blessing. And I'm a
Yes.
firm believer of every thought and action. It's either it blesses you or it curses you or others. Yeah. So a thought or
Yeah.
a word or an action can be a blessing or a curse. So you
Yeah.
choose.
Yeah.
It can also be neutral. It
Yeah.
doesn't have to be either one of those. But
Yeah.
I'd rather that I be a blessing and I
Mm.
receive blessing as well. You know, we people have a choice, right? But it's just more about being
Yes.
mindful about the words that we say and
Yeah.
the reality of other people that we take into ourselves as well. Because
Mm-mm.
you know, there's a concept there that we always buy and sell. Buying and selling is not only in trading. Yeah.
All right.
Buying and selling is we do it every time. You know, when we are talking and you know, you mentioned about I accept, I understand, I heal, I bought into it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So be careful about what are you buying into?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And what are you selling as well? Yeah. So I'd rather sell blessings. I mean, in the concept of
Course, of course. Of course. And also yun nga that is also the law of karma. The law of karma kasi 'di ba parang ayan, we have a wrong connotation of karma. Karma for us Filipinos only means bad thing. But it's not action. So whatever it is that you do, it's a karma. It's a karma. It's what you do. What you do, what you think, and what you say. So it's a karma. So it's either good or bad. So kaya nga ano I don't know for most of my friends who ang ano ko is whatever you give you receive, right? So you give love, you receive love. You give and sometimes people think na ay why is it like this? You know parang hardships and things and sometimes at times most of the times if not always parang if not all of the times you but what the good news is one fine day you will look back at it and ay the reason pala it happened to me is because I am set I am bound for greater things.
Wow.
That's why that's why parang ano for us for me and Andrew whenever we experience like challenges and things and we cry nagka-cry kami parang ewan and then we will say don't worry honey we'll have our answers. It's just a matter of time. So we all have answers and you will really see na no matter how painful it is, no matter how challenging amazing blessings talaga. Ano 'yon? Anong tawag nito? Hindi siya ano it's parang set on stone that whatever it is na maranasan mo kahit gaano ka-challenging, kahit ka-painful, you will arrive once you pass it, you will arrive at a very great destination din.
Yeah. Wow. That's really profound and very inspiring, Thea. So anyway, you know, it's really wonderful having this talk with you and getting to have a lot of this awareness, new concept although I've known you for some time, but still every time that I talk to you, now we're actually having this forum to be able to share to others as well. I'm truly
Yeah.
grateful, huh? I mean, there's
Yes.
a couple of
Me
things that I
too.
have learned. So
Yeah.
so let's continue in another time. So let's the concept. There were so many concepts that we have spoken about, and I
Yeah.
feel that we can go deeper next time.
Yes. Yes.
Because
Yes.
they're beautiful, and we cannot talk about it on a deeper level now within, an hour or so.
Yeah.
So yeah, so let's take our notes and then discuss about few things about that we have spoken about today.
Yeah.
And
I'm really grateful as well because normally when we talk about things and about life, about our experiences, it's like down there are a lot of learnings coming from you, and it's such a parang it's such parang it's such I don't want to say, pero parang it's nicer if we talk over the more can benefit, right? Dito sa usapan natin, because I would love to share para I also love this sharing kasi I wanted to reach out. Just yesterday I was talking to somebody who were saying that they I thought that I won't be able to survive things, to survive the challenges. I thought it's the end for me because I am really ready for and I told her, I told her that there's help. You just have to say that there's to ask for help. Why? Because we are afraid of being judged but there are people you just have to choose. There are people who doesn't really judge and just listen, it's it, but even just for a talk, it's really, really helpful. So, to all of you who wanted help, who needed help, you find it. If you really are, ano ba to, intentional on wanted to heal and wanted to know to help yourself as well, you just have to ask. Yun nga, you always tell me that, right, Vida? You just have to ask. Well, yun lang. You just ask. Kasi kung sino man, hindi ba?
uh,
They will,
so there,
I mean, they will,
there's this
yeah,
phrase, ask and it is given.
yeah, yes,
Ask and you receive. So actually, it's
yes,
sentence. It's one statement. Because when you ask, it's already given. So even when we
yeah,
go for an exam, the teacher will already knows the answers, right? And
that's right, that's right.
designs the the test or the exam, with the question. So what can I ask when the answer is this way? Yeah. So
Yeah,
yeah, let's talk about that more as well in our
okay, okay.
main
And
episode.
so,
It's
yeah,
kind of
and
profound as well.
yeah, and if ever you have some things to add or some things to clarify regarding our talks or our discussions, our topic, um send us a private message, so it's more clear. Kasi baka minsan ay I don't understand that. Sometimes may ganon eh. So you can always clarify.
Yeah. Thank you, Dea, for
That.
thank you for mentioning that. Yeah. So until next time, thank you so
Till next time.
much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Thank you.
thank you.
Bye everyone. God bless
Bye.
you. Bye.
Oh wow.